Hi everyone. So I thought we could chit-chat why I prep for dinner. So I'm just prepping. We're having corn on the cob, and that's what I'm peeling right now. And we're going to have a healthy hamburger. So it's going to be a hamburger without a bun, more or less, but it's going to have all the toppings on it. And then I got some of these beautiful heirloom tomatoes, and sweet onion and lettuce, and this corn was on sale. I think it was 8 for $2. I couldn't pass it up. So what I like to do is I peel my corn. I wanted to actually leave it on the husk, but I couldn't do it without, clean it without just taking everything off to do it. So, yeah. There. Now, if you all know an easier way of husking corn, you let me know. But I've been husking corn since I was a kid. But there isn't nothing better than doing corn on the cob with the husk, and you take this off, right? The hairs, and then you cover it back up, and then you soak the corn in salt water, and when it's time, you just take it up, shake it, you lay it on the grill. Oh, it's like butter. Just saying. So, okay, I got all my corn in here. Let's put some cold water in there. Water in here. And now's the time you can see hair hanging out of the corn hair. Somebody said, oh, I wish they didn't have that. Well, if they didn't have that, you wouldn't have corn. This is just kosher salt. And I salt it well. Just makes it more sweeter, tender, yumminess. Really good. There we go. Take a plate, make sure it all soaks in there good, just like that. So my corn's prepped, ready to go. And now if I do cook this, if we end up cooking this on the grill, I'll wrap it with foil, but I think I'm just going to steam it. Tomatoes, look at those. They're going to be beautiful. And I know I paid a lot for them, but you know what? To me, it was worth it. They are gorgeous. And they're so pretty on my hamburger. Just saying. All right. So in the stacker, or the stacker, condiment stacker, I'm going to take this out, the core, with my tomato core. Just like that. It's got those sharp little edges on here, and you just twist and tap it out. Now these look kinda not very juicy inside, don't they? Oh, my luck. Nice and pretty. Okay. So let's get this sliced. Lay it on for us. So with the holiday coming up, what has you guys got planned? I don't think we got much going on. I would love, love, love to go kayaking, but it looks like rain over at our place. So I'm even going to throw that part in there. Look at how beautiful those are. They're pretty. Gorgeous. There. Oh, let's see. Trying to think of what else we could chat about. The hamburger I'm just gonna use regular hamburger. Make a patty, season salt, pepper, and white salt on it. And if I don't grill it outside, I will use my indoor grill on it. Now that bottom I won't save. Layer that right in there. I always think these are so beautiful, and when you dehydrate them, they're gorgeous too. If you can get them to dehydrate in the same shapes. Just saying. This one. Take off some of that. There. All right. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Gosh, I love it. You gotta have your food look pretty too. A great presentation. I'll just layer that in there. Oops. There we go. That pretty one right there. All right. That right there. That's what I love about these stackables from Tupperware. There's 3 layers. You always put like your tomatoes in the bottom one with that rack. And then I do the onions and then the lettuce or whatever, veggie I got, per se. Yeah, so I just slice everything up, get everything prepped. And we'll have the hamburger, the corn, and I'm thinking maybe, I don't know about potato. He might want a potato. But I think that'll be enough. So we're just prepping in this video. You're not gonna see me cook anything. I'll show you pictures of it when it's done. My plate, our plates. So, because hopefully this will help somebody that don't know how to get everything ready early for a dinner, called prepping. And this will be more than for this meal, because I can use these for our bacon, lettuce, tomato sandwiches. I can chop it up if I want for diced onion or however for hot dogs. All right, do one more. If you want a quick side salad, you have everything prepped, and this will last a couple days in the refrigerator. I've had it last almost a half a week by doing it this way, because the tomatoes will last because they're not sitting in their own acid, their own juices. Almost said acids. Well, that's what it is, tomato acid. But, all right. I never claimed to be the best onion slicer. I do have a mandolin, but geez, I about kill myself with that darn thing every time I use it. I've got a little Tupperware one coming soon. I can't wait. Or I'm thinking about getting the Tupperware mandolin, but we'll see. one I got, my husband paid a lot of money for. And I can't use the darn thing because it wants to slide everywhere. Yeah, I told you I'm not the best onion slicer. But I love onion. I eat this stuff raw. Okay, that'll go there. There. Okay, onion, done. Let's see if that lid will fit. I'm using iceberg because I'm still nervous about trying to use the other one that's getting people sick, so I don't want to do that. There. So I just flatten it out. Chop it one way, chop it on another. And they can grab their own for their sandwiches. Hopefully I can get it all to fit in there. There. Got my lid, and I am going to force this down. And that's it. Now I can tell I need to burp it. So I push it, hold it down. That, I'm all prepped for my meal. You have a good day. Thanks for watching. Big hugs from my pantry to yours. Bye.